Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we.
Good morning, guys. It is day one of Monterey Car Week, and I couldn't be more excited. We're about to take the Mclaren on its first ever road trip. 2 years ago, we took the supercharged Huracan to Monterey. Last year, we took the 458 Speciale, and this year, it's Mclaren time. Shmee 150's Ford GT looking sexier than ever in my garage. I actually can't get over how insane this car looks. Tim, I am so jealous. James just rolled up. What's going on, dude? You stoked for Car Week?
Oh, hell yeah.
This is about to be nuts.
Right?
My boy Ali riding shotgun. What's going on, dude? So the rally we're hitting today is hosted by Daily Driven Exotics, which means it's about to get absolutely wild. And in traditional DDE fashion, there are already cops at the meetup spot. It hasn't even started yet. Just showed up to the meeting spot. Look who we found.
You're still doing this?
Still doing what?
It's a camera thing.
Okay, so you got your car done like last minute.
Well, I didn't do. First of all, let's clarify. I didn't do shit. All right. Shout out to Mark and Mitch. 1:30 in the morning.
That is unbelievable.
It is unbelievable.
They had the whole engine out like yesterday.
Yes. So here's the thing. They did everything, had the engine out, finally got it all detailed, and they thought they were done. And then they did something for Troy and literally came back and drove my car and was like, uh-oh. Like there was a problem. There was like no oil pressure.
No way.
No, for real, there's no oil pressure. So then they were going through what it could be, and they took the oil pan.
I think that's what it's called, oil pan off.
Yep. And apparently there's like these two little pieces inside the oil pan that need to be sealed, which is like a return suction or something for the oil.
Okay.
And those seals were blown out, so it was just sucking air.
Sweet.
That's my Damon, very educated mechanical engineering. I'm the opposite of him.
That was pretty good though.
Smart, dumb.
We got a ton of sick cars coming along for the rally. Dave's Squadra Corsa, we got Damon's Murcielago, beautiful GT3 RS, Protective Film Solutions 570S with the epic body kit. Check out this slammed 458. That is freaking epic. Damn, I'm actually in love with this thing.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.
Easily one of the craziest cars here, Pterodactyl Tactics Huracan GT3 with a twin turbo kit. I've wanted to drive this car for a very long time, so I'm hoping we can make that happen. But check this car out, guys. I love that factory GT3 body kit. It's got a new color. Check out the steering wheel. It doesn't have a top portion of it. I think that looks awesome. And the frickin' exhaust is insane. How to announce a driver's meeting Damon style.
I'm a pretty chubby guy to be standing on a carbon body Mercedes.
Look what just showed up, aka Booty's Chiron. The spec on the Chiron is absolutely gorgeous. I love the all blue interior. All right, time to roll out. This is about to be insane.
If I ever wanna dip, then I'm
Literally cops everywhere.
Blink on the brink of some dumb shit.
Another beautiful purple McLaren.
Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussion.
Oh my God, that car is sick. Cops are definitely in the know about all the rallies going to Monterey today. They are in full force, more cops than I have ever seen, and we've basically been followed with an uninvited police escort the entire way. Hoping they pull off soon so we can have some fun. Damon just kind of ripped it right in front of the cop. Following behind Mad Whips in his no bumper Porsche.
Hold up with it, got my back on Pippin', I'm back in kitchens with the tray. Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the.
This is insane. Damon surrounded by cops on either side. This is actually absurd.
Linen, I came through dripping Aquafina. I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make bitches, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a peace.
I've actually never been more intimidated to speed in my entire life than this situation right here. There's my homie in the GT2 RS. He had the white SV Roadster in the last video. This turbo cup car is badass. Look at that wing. Doing a little fuel stop, filling up all the cars. This gas station is absolutely hectic right now, packed with supercars. We got my boy Alex in the beautiful F90 M5. Insane. Wow. Back on the road again. Thankfully, there is a lot less cop action than before. It turns out the first part of our leg, we ended up on the news. There was a news helicopter following us up Canaan in the Malibu Canyons and got a pretty sick rolling shot, or I guess flying shot, of my friend's pista. Just passed over 3,300 miles in the 600 LT. I've got about 50% life left on the front tires, but the rears are almost toast, and I can't think of a better week of the year to finish off these tires than Monterey Car Week. So many sick cars on this rally. This is an absolute blast. Oh, right, the KA band is going off. Oh no. Somebody pulled over. Pulled over on the side of the road because it looks like the 458 GT3 is having some issues. Let's go down the line and check out all these sick cars that are with us. What I was about to say before we pulled over is I really want to get a pull-in against Pterodactyl Tactics twin turbocharged Huracan. All right, apparently it works still.
Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just
well,
like...
I got absolutely destroyed by the twin turbocharged Huracan. That thing sounds so freaking sick. Just look at that thing. Holy shit.
Flow make business, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a peace.
So Alex Choi is on the cop radio scanner right now, and apparently the cop that's pacing us right now, making sure we're not going fast, told the rest of the police that he's gonna pull us all over, which is interesting because none of us were actually going very fast. But the good news is we're all about to make a gas stop, and he has no idea about that. So we just pulled over for gas, and the latest update is there are 3 helicopters in the air chasing after our group. Time to drive the speed limit the rest of the way. And another cop. We got quad exhaust on the Nissan SV. I've somehow managed to average 16 miles per gallon on this rally. That's actually pretty impressive. All right, guys, what's your pick? Twin turbo Huracan or GT2 RS with a tune?
Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB who?
This Huracan is literally too sick. We're pulling off now. Time to get some lunch at In-N-Out Burger. Done with lunch, back on the road. Woo! Twin turbo Huracans everywhere. The scenery out here is absolutely gorgeous. Apparently we're on our way to Hearst Castle right now, a place I've always wanted to go but never been, so I'm pretty pumped that that's where we're headed. Sitting behind Alex and Dave. At the lunch stop, it was literally 107 degrees and sunny. Now it's 75 and cloudy, and about 3 hours ago it was 60 degrees. Heading into Hearst Castle. All right, it turns out we're not going all the way to the castle, but I can see it from here. This thing is absolutely massive. Check it out. That is freaking sick. No, what are you about to do?
You have to look inside of it and illuminate.
Oh no, you fucker. I know what you're about to do. How are you, Amelia?
I'm good.
Long time no see.
Yeah, right?
You having fun on the rally?
Oh, so much fun.
I almost got squirted in the face,
You
so
did.
that
It
could have
was
been
close.
bad.
No pun intended.
We're not in Tijuana. And we hear sirens. The cops are coming.
Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB, who we running with? Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. I'm active. If he never heard of it, dope, he just napping.
Damon's Mercy sounds so freaking ridiculous. Look at all these people taking pictures as we're all driving by. That is awesome. So we all pulled off for gas, and check out what happens when there's no gas station for 60 miles in either direction. $5.71 a gallon. That is ridiculous.
I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright.
Well, midway through the rally, we ended up meeting up with a bunch of people who are on fuel runs, so we got a bunch of new cars to drive with. Nice Vanquish right in front of me.
2233, I'm on 10, 10, 10. Yeah.
Well, after 9 hours of driving, yes, literally 9 hours in the car, we have finally gotten to Ocean Avenue in Carmel. 458 GT3 is down. Check this out, W Motors Fenrir.
Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah.
Woo! Clean R34. That is gorgeous.
I'm on 10 again. Yeah.
So for those of you who have never been to Car Week, Ocean Avenue in Carmel is a central location that everyone parks up the craziest cars you have ever seen. Like this beautiful Ferrari.
It's coming, I put my low racks on it.
All right, check this out, guys.
Yeah, check this out.
It's got a Ford motor in it.
It's a 289.
289, that is epic.
Big bags on big bags on big bags coming.
Wow, the color on this McLaren is incredible.
Wanna win.
You see a heck of a lot of red Ferraris, but this Dino in this beautiful blue color is unbelievable. I love these cars. Well, guys, that was an absolutely insane day driving from LA to Monterey for my favorite week of the year, Monterey Car Week, and look who just showed up. We got Buddy.
Hey,
How's it
guys.
going, dude?
What's up, man?
How was your drive?
Oh, I'm exhausted. I was hanging out the window the whole time. My face is chapped. I can't breathe. My leg is numb for some reason. I don't know, and it's only the first day.
Well, that sounds pretty epic, man.
Yeah, but I got my thumbnail for today's
Oh, let's
video,
see
by
it.
the way.
No way. I've never seen you look more excited in your entire life.
I know. Don't tell my wife, please.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.
Bye, guys.